Hello everybody, it's Wendy, and today we are here with the Bargain Bead Box January 2023 subscription. So I was so surprised to go out today and find it in the mail. I wasn't expecting it for some reason, I don't know. But our encouraging word for today is find joy in the journey. Isn't that a cute little picture of hot air balloon? Okay, so the Bargain Bead Box, it is a monthly beading subscription service. It is close to $20 a month, shipped straight to your door. This month, it says that there is a $77 value in here, so that's exciting. And the theme is Midnight Skies. So I was so excited to open this and see blue and silver. Thank you, yay, Bargain Bead Box. Okay, so number one is 1 meter of 3mm steel Rolo jewelry chain. That is this. It is very nice. I love Rolo chain. It's very versatile. It's strong, and I like it because it has the links that are not too small to put a jump ring through. They're not too big and not too small, so I really like Rolo chain. So it's these little round links. Okay, very nice. Then we have 40 pieces of 7.5mm star bead caps. That's these. They're cute, little pointy and on the edges, just like a little star, and nice big hole in the center for putting lots of things through there. That's kind of nice. Number 3, 2 pieces of 23mm stainless steel moon phase cutout coin pendants. Now these are super cool. So these are the phases of the moon. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is really cool. Check it out. Also, when you subscribe to Bargain Bead Box, you get a 30% coupon to use in their sister store, Bead Box Bargains. You can use that over and over all month long, as many times as you want. Those are just awesome. Yeah, so it's a really good deal. Number 4, 5 pieces of 11.5mm Starburst pattern glass cylinder beads. Oops, and I'm dropping them everywhere. These are super cute. Look at those. Really pretty. Electroplated kind of look to them. Really nice. Okay, number 6, and a bunch of these, 10 pieces of 15.5 by 20mm round with moon star links. Those are super cute. I really like these. Whole lot of different things you could do with those. Those are really cute. 10 pieces too. Number 7, 3 sets. No, oh, I'm sorry, that was number 5. Number 6, 10 pieces of 8mm frosted pressed glass star beads, crystal AB. These are pretty. They do have a really pretty AB finish on them. Kind of frosty look. Pretty. Very wintry. Number 7, 3 sets of 18 by 25mm rounded square toggle clasps. These are nice. I like this toggle bar is really big, so it's, you're not going to have to worry about it coming loose. Really pretty. Number 8, I can't keep it straight. Number 8, 10mm, approximately 10-inch strand of 6mm English cut crystal beads in steel blue. These are gorgeous. Look at them. Wow, they're sparkly and so pretty. I think I've ordered these from their site before when I've been in a sparkly bead kind of mood. Those are gorgeous. Okay, number 9. 10-piece strand of 10mm Moonstone glass round beads in soft blue. These are pretty. These are almost a turquoise kind of blue. They do go well with that, though. They go well with these, too, I think. Yes, they do. Very pretty. These are really cool. They're like 2 pieces of a bead with an AB inside, and then they glue the bead together. So that's what gets it that look of kind of like, almost like it has little lights inside. Really pretty, though. Love those. I like that they're frosted, too. They match the stars. Okay, then we have a 10-gram bag of 5mm star spacer beads. These are super cute. Look at that. Very different from what we normally get. And look, the hole is in the point of the star. It's in like, it comes out the middle of those two and the point on this one on the top. They're all like that. Really cool. I like those, and you get a bunch too. Number 11, 4 pieces of 12mm stainless steel Crescent Moon cutout round links. These are pretty cool. Can you see them? They're stainless steel. They're kind of hard to show on this. It doesn't look like the camera's picking them up really well. There we go. Aren't those cool? Whoops. Now it's going to not focus on me. Whoops. I'm just going to drop everything then. Those are neat. Let's move on. Approximately 7.5 inch strand of 8mm Druzy Agate electroplated round beads. These are pretty. And let's see if we got any. There's a little Druzy action going on right there. Very pretty. Very pretty color blue too. Nice. Then we have an 8-inch strand of 8x6mm crystal Rondell beads, deep blue mix. Ooh, these are pretty. Look how beautiful and sparkly. There's a dark blue, kind of a lighter blue, to a teal, and a clear. You can almost do kind of an ombre thing with these. There's a medium blue and an even lighter or middle between this one and this one. Really cool. Very pretty. Where are we at? We're at number 14, 38x30mm antique silver brass crescent pendant with labradorite oval. That is really pretty. Very interesting. I like this middle with all these points. It matches the little star spacers that we got, kind of. Really cool. Different. There's not a lot of flash in that, but it is Labradorite. I can kind of see it. It's pretty though. The whole thing's really cool looking. Okay. Let's see. Then we have a 22mm curved forest moon link, pewter plated with tie fine silver. Wow. Okay. Very nice. This could be a bracelet. It's kind of curved, so you could do it like a bracelet. That's really cool. Let's see here, 7.5 inch strand of 4mm Labradorite faceted round beads. Wow. There's a whole lot of sparkle going on there. Very, very pretty. I like that they're 4mm and not the little 2mm because those are so hard to string. These, at least you can see the holes in them. And then we have a 5-inch strand of Labradorite large chip beads. Now these have some flash. Look at those. Wow, those are pretty. Look at that. Beautiful. Those are awesome. I like those a lot. And then last but not least, 20 pieces of 6mm Czech pressed glass star beads. Crystal steel blue luster. Really cute. Little star beads. So that is the bargain bead box for the month of January 2023. It is very pretty. I have to say, let me lay it all out here so we can see it. At first I was going to say that it was kind of metal heavy, but actually it looks like there are quite a few beads in this box. So I'm good either way, honestly. I like a lot of metals and I like a lot of beads. So, you know, some boxes, some months maybe a little more metal heavy than others. That's okay. We can alternate a little, right? Back and forth. So here is everything. Let me go up a little bit with the camera. There it all is. Beautiful box for the month of January. I have to say, I really do like it. Gosh, I think my favorite things, I don't know, I like a lot of these things. I really love these Labradorite chips. Those are really pretty. They are Labradorite, right? Yes, they are. Really, really pretty. Gorgeous. They've got a lot of flash in them. I really like those. These are so sparkly, and so are these, though. Yeah, really nice box. I have a hard time picking a favorite, but I like it all. These are pretty, too. Look how sparkly they are. So anyway, if you're interested in subscribing, I do have a coupon code. It is Wendy2. That will get you $2 off either your first month's box subscription or your first purchase in their store. Either way. You can use it one time, though, so keep that in mind. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!